My name's Lee Kunj. I work with Challenge Implements. I've been with Challenge Implements now for 18 years. We manufacture mainly agricultural equipment, that is front-end loaders for a range of different tractors and attachments as well. Now recently we have also moved into more a construction. We're here because we've been struggling to find suitable applicants for Boilermaker positions that we've had advertised for a number of years. Probably got worse after COVID. We're really struggling, and to keep up with the volume of work that we've got, we're in a position now with dealing with a lot of the people we deal with who are requiring heavy diesel fitters that are actually going down the same path as what we are. There's a number of businesses in Orange that have already got Filipino employees, and it's been very successful. We went through a number of different companies that we looked at to use to be able to source our requirements over here in the Philippines, and TPRC were the ones that we ended up going with. It's been great. We went through a number of interview processes from home, Teams meetings, so on and so forth, over probably 4 weeks before we came. We had a chance to, I suppose, select the ideal candidates that we knew we would like to be able to bring in here, have a chat to, do the weld tests.
I think all the candidates tried their best and to show us their ability. I'm pretty happy with what we had.
We did speak to other people that had used TPRC. I think it was mainly because of just the quality feedback we had. We're also, I suppose, it was the communication. It was very open. We were getting all the information we needed pretty much straight away. Channels were clear and they were excellent to work with. I think the best thing from my point of view, how quickly we've been able to get feedback, we've been able to organise interviews. It was very well structured. Everything that we're attempting to do and what TPRC were doing for us it happened. Just made it easy.